has a great Chrome extension that you can use to do screen recording. Here's how it works. So first you're going to go to the Chrome Web Store. You'll search for WeVideo and find the extension that says WeVideo for Schools Screen and Webcam Recorder. Click on that, select Add to Chrome, select Add Extension, and it's going to download and install onto your Chrome browser. So once that happens, if you click close and the extension disappears, that's okay. All you have to do is click on that extension puzzle piece, find the extension that you want, and click that pin. That's going to pin the extension onto your Chrome browser. So now that that's there, let's look and see how this works. So go ahead and click on the extension on your extension bar and select Login with an existing account. We're going to use Login with Google. Click on the email address, and now we're connected with our account. You'll select Continue to WeVideo Recorders. And then we just have to go through a few little steps just to get things set up. So we're going to go back and click on the extension again and select Enable Camera and Mic Access. Select Allow. You'll get a thumbs up, good to go, and then we can go ahead and close this tab, and we're going to go back to the extension now. Once you click that, you'll see that your camera is enabled, just like that. And we have three options here. We have Dual, which will be able to record the screen and the camera, Screen Recording, which is just the screen, and then we also have just Webcam. So let's just select Screen, and we're going to select Record. The next screen, you're going to select this thumbnail of your screen and select Share. You will start recording your screen at this point. So now everything I am clicking on is being recorded. You'll see even like a little toolbar that appears on the bottom here. If you need to, you can pause. So now it says recording paused, and then if I want to start up again, maybe I have to switch to another page, I can get to where I need to. Once I'm ready to record again, I will select the play button again. And so now it is recording. And when I'm done, I'll select stop. So once you select stop, you'll see this screen. You can rename, otherwise it's going to just give you a timestamp of your recording. I just renamed it. I'll select save. And then I have some other options now. I can download this, so it'll download it as a video file. I can send it to Google Drive by clicking Share to Google Drive. This would be really great if you needed to share the link and send it to someone. You can do that easily by selecting Share to Google Drive. And then you could also rename and delete. If you want to see all the recordings that you do using the extension, you're going to select the three lines on the top left-hand corner, and you can select My Recordings. And you'll see all your recordings will be listed in this window. So that is it. That is how to use the WeVideo extension for screen recording.